You know I'm shooting money at you is because I'm going to teach you the #1 marketing skill that you will ever learn. It's called copywriting. I'm going to show you 6 copy tips for beginners. I make millions of dollars a year in my business, and the reason I do so is because I write good ads. Basically, I am able to reach people and offer them a solution to their problem, and I'm able to connect my product with their problem and help make a transaction occur. But the only way I'm able to do that is because I'm good at basically marketing, which is copywriting. So I'm gonna go over these 6 tips. We're gonna start with smaller sentences, but I have 5 more tips, and I have a special bonus for you, which is an entire playlist from copywriting greats, guys doing affiliate marketing and making millions of dollars per month. And I've got some exclusive interviews with them. I'll reveal that later on in this video. Let's check it out. Copywriting is the most important skill you'll learn as a marketer. Using words that you put in an ad or on a web page and using those words in the correct order to convince people to buy your product or to click on your affiliate link or to choose to do a consulting call or anything with you is magic. It is the most magical quality you can have. I consider myself a wizard when I'm able to successfully create a marketing campaign where I just press go and it brings me money into my bank account. Now, this skill is not to be taken lightly. You want to get good at this skill. The more you learn copywriting, the better you become at marketing, the more powerful your bank account grows, which is pretty cool. Now, the first tip for copywriting is smaller sentences, okay? And shorter paragraphs. In school, they teach you to write really long sentences and use semicolons and colons and lots of commas and what have you to write nice, fancy, complicated Shakespearean sentences. That doesn't work. In real life, what works is short sentences. And if my Americans here recall the 2016 presidential elections, there was Hillary Clinton, the Democrat, and President Trump, which is the Republican. And how many people can recall taglines from Hillary's campaign here? If anybody can recall a tagline from Hillary's campaign, write it in the comments because I certainly can't. Now, how many people here can recall taglines from Trump's campaign for president? If anybody can recall taglines from Trump's campaign for president, type them in the comments below and we'll kind of see who wins there. Now, it's not just because I kind of lean conservative. I'm not going to go into my political beliefs here. Everybody gets all mad. And if you're politically correct, please unsubscribe from this channel. I'm not going to pander to sissies, okay? No pandering to sissies here. But Trump, all of his campaign slogans were very short. Lock her up, make America great again, build the wall, stuff like that. Send her to jail, lazy Joe, all these sorts of things. Lion Hillary. Sorry, that was Lion Ted. I forgot. Basically, all of Trump's sentences were just short and punchy, like first grade language. Smaller sentences. Don't use run-on sentences. Don't use long paragraphs. Keep everything really short, really basic grade level, and you'll be more successful in writing ads. Now, the second copy tip is read Amazon reviews of a product. Why would you read Amazon reviews about a particular type of product? The reason is because you can see exactly what people are thinking about a particular type of product, what they care about, what they want in the product, what language they use, what words they use, and particularly look at the 3-star or lower reviews, people who had a problem with the product. Look at what people are desiring within a product, and it doesn't need to be the exact same product you're selling. For instance, if you want to market a product on how to make money, you could find books that talk about how to make money. If you want to market a weight loss product, find a weight loss product on Amazon. If you want to market skincare, photography equipment, look up those types of products. And find the 1-star, 2-star, 3-star reviews on those products and see what people are saying. Because if you can address the biggest concerns of people when they're buying these sorts of products, you're going to have a winning ad. You're going to create a winner. If you're addressing all those concerns with your writing, you will sell the product. Another thing to check out is use proven formulas. There's no reason not to use proven headline formulas, because you can easily find out what the proven headline formulas are if you study copywriting, if you study ads. They're proven formulas which already work that you can use in your ads. Now, I share a lot of proven headline formula with my students in my 6-week super affiliate system course. I give them my entire swipe file. I really, my students who take my 6-week course, it's really like full open kimono. And if you want to learn a little bit about my 6-week course, you can go to the link in the description. There's the top link below this video should be a link to a webinar, which is roughly 2 hours long, which is a free training on affiliate marketing where I show you soup to nuts affiliate marketing. And if you want to go further beyond that, you can sign up to be a student of mine and go through my 6-week course where I really just lay everything out that is in my brain of how to do paid advertising, copywriting, and data analysis. Now, the next copy tip is customer focus, okay? I see a lot of advertisers saying I, and me. What you want to do is you want to focus on you. Talk to the you. I'm talking to you. You can make a lot of money. You can succeed in life. You can be whoever you want to be. Focus on the customer. Focus on them. Don't talk about what you want to talk about. Talk about their concerns from the Amazon reviews or whatnot. Talk about what they're thinking about. Talk about what benefits are in it for them. Don't focus on your own self or all those little things about why you created the product. Talk about them. Now, the 5th copy tip is make it newsworthy. Now, this is one of my favorites because I used to advertise. I made my first millions as a marketer by doing advertorials, which are actually, they look like news articles. And I would say breaking news, miracle diet pill to hit American stores, or miracle diet pill now available in America. It's being called Botox in a box or whatever, I would say. But I always make my stuff newsworthy because news catches people's attention. If you say breaking news, or if you say, alert, people wonder what's going on. Another good word would be new discovery, right? That's a headline I would use. New discovery, miracle weight loss formula from the Brazilian jungle has been found and can help anybody lose weight. Yeah, and that's marketing right there. Now, the last copy tip is write how you speak. Don't get it twisted. Copy should be simple. It shouldn't be using superfluous language. The word superfluous is sort of a superfluous word. Point being, use short sentences, talk in a low grade level, talk how normal people talk. And if you don't know how normal people talk, go to McDonald's, sit there for a day, and just listen into people's conversations. Place yourself in an area where you can listen to people argue, listen to people banter, listen to people complain, listen to people talk about normal everyday things, and write your ads that way. The biggest mistake I see people make in copywriting is they think that marketing is like this weird little alien, and they have to write this weird non-human way, and they have to write like a marketer or like an advertiser. Marketing should just sound like you're talking to normal people. Now, if you want to go deeper into copywriting, I suggest you check out my playlist, The Art of Copywriting. I'm going to have my assistants link it somewhere in this video. If you want to go deeper and become a student of mine and really learn just marketing inside and out, make sure to sign up for the webinar where you'll go through a 2-hour training on how I do paid advertising and affiliate marketing, and you'll be given an opportunity to sign up as a student of mine at the end of that if you wish to move forward with my 6-week program. As always, let's make some money. Guys, put this into practice, have fun, build this skill, give this a like, give this a comment, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos where I'm talking about marketing, going deep into the light and the dark side to figure out what's gonna make you money. Let's do it.